Are you recording?
Oh, yeah.
Why? He's just so proud to see me.
So today's the first day I'm going to teach my 9-year-old how to play Magic. All right, there's a card there that you can take out.
I already know.
So my kid decided to be mountains, red. Well, I'll be white. Victory's Herald. He's playing the Shivan Dragon deck. Okay. Don't mix them up yet. Hold on.
Daddy?
Yeah?
You're about to get wrecked.
Okay, what are you going to do?
Oh, no. Why?
No, whatever you're about to do, you need to do something with these lands. And what is it?
On top.
Tap. 1. Count them.
2, 3.
3.
4, 5, 6, and finally I could use him.
What are you bringing out?
A Shivan Dragon.
Ah,
You can take
Shivan
5
Dragon.
hits and he'll destroy you.
And he pumps.
You're gonna actually go back to the 1 digits.
Let's see.
And then you can take 5
Okay,
hits.
so now you brought out a dragon, right?
Declare war.
You declare an attack, but you cannot attack with him right now because you just brought him out. You're gonna have to wait until your next turn. But you do have another creature. So, what would you like to do? This creature, if you read it, what does it say?
3 hits.
Right here in this description, right there.
Frontline rebel attacks each combat if able.
That means you have to attack with him every turn, no matter what.
Oh.
So tap him. Now you're attacking me for 3.
Oof, oof, oof.
I cannot block him because he's already used. I attacked you with him on my last turn, so he's tapped. Pretend that he's not here right now. But this guy is. His power is 1, but his defense is 4. So your 3 is going to hit my 4, which means I still survive. He still survives. And he now hits you. What's his power?
1.
He hits him with 1, but he's 3. Nothing happens. So right now, these 2 creatures are okay. Nothing happens.
I think he would win because.
Yeah.
But that's he could destroy.
Oh yeah, he's gonna do damage next turn. All right.
Oh yes, and he'll.
Are you done? You're tapped out, meaning all your mountains are tapped. They're used. This creature attacked. Right now, all you have is this dragon, and he cannot attack. Are you done?
Okay, I'm done.
My turn.
Also, he's a freak, I swear.
All right. So right now, I'm currently at 13, and my kid is at 6. He
oh my god, he
Dragon. I'm tapped out. I just did 8 damage to him with my 3, my 1, and I use this spell. Creatures I control get +2/+1 until end of turn. He took the 8. But now it's his go.
Plus an elephant.
So, buddy, what do you want to do?
Wish I had a mountain. I wish. You know what? I'm gonna use a hyena.
No, you have to pay. Remember, you gotta pay if you're gonna bring out something. Okay. You tap.
But I can't use them. I'm just gonna use that to protect me.
Very smart. That's defense right there. How much does he cost? He costs 4. Very good, Matthew. You brought out a 3/4 creature.
Thanks.
Now, it's still your go. What would you like to do?
Can I place a creature?
You did. Him. You have how many lands available?
2. Is there... Oh, I could use a vampire.
If it's 2 mana, you sure can. Very good. So tap.
I'm gonna use it to defense me too.
You gotta tap it, buddy. You gotta tap the lands. There you go.
Wait.
Why is he tapped? You don't tap the creature. You put him in the land stay tapped. That creature put your creature in the creature pile over here. There you go.
This one, the hyena pack and the vampire are gonna protect me.
All right, now still your go. What would you like to do? Remember, you haven't attacked yet.
I haven't attacked.
I shouldn't have said that.
So I can't place anything. I'm out.
No, you haven't done combat yet. I want you.
Combat?
Every turn, you have a creature that every turn has to attack.
So I'll let him attack. Wait, can my dragon attack?
You could, of course.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, there you go.
So both of them are dead.
No. Your 3, I'm going to block with this guy. Nothing happens. They both survive. But this 5, I have to take. I don't have a flyer. So now, what's 5 minus 13?
13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. 8. Oh, yes, it's a good thing I lowered you out because I'm only at 6. You're lucky.
Okay, you're tapped out.
Yep.
But you do have 2 creatures to protect you.
Yep.
So you're fine. It's my go.
Hey, they do pretty good.
Alright, so my turn just ended. I'm tapped out. I brought out a land. Now I have 5 planes tapped to bring out the Sarah Angel. 4/4 flyer.
Finally!
And my son's about to whip my ass.
Huh?
Nothing.
Did you say curse word?
I'm about to get my butt kicked. Oh, it's bad.
But
You're gonna hurt me.
This guy, he
First,
tapped.
okay, how many? 1? Just.
It only has 1 land. 1 land.
Okay, that card is an instant.
It's saying that he shock deals 2 damage to target creature or player.
So you can do 2 damage to one of my creatures, or you can take those 2 damage and hit me directly.
To make it a tie, I'll hit you directly.
Oh, and what am I at right now?
8.
So 8 minus what?
6.
No, 8 minus what number is that?
2.
Okay, 8 minus 2 is?
6.
I'm at 6.
Okay, so now it's a tie. I'm at 6 HP and you're at 6 HP.
Well, it's still your go. What would you like to do? Wait, that card that you just used, the shock, it goes in the graveyard. No, in the graveyard.
Oh, it's already dead.
Yeah, that means it's been used.
Aww.
That's your graveyard pile. That's the pile of all the spells and creatures that you used. That died or spells that were used. That were cast. Okay.
Oh, this is bad.
It's still your go?
This is just bad. I only have 2 cards left.
It's
you know
fine.
what? I'm going to use...
You don't have to bring out any more stuff. You know why? You have a lot going on here. You have all these lands available to bring out what you have in your hand. But you know what? You don't need to use your hand right now. You don't need to use these cards. Why? Matthew, you got 4 creatures that can do damage. I have 3 creatures. You have 4. You're at 6. I'm at 6. What would you like to do?
I would like to place another creature.
You want to place another creature?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, go ahead.
This, I don't know if you don't want to see this in a petting zoo.
Okay, first, before you bring out a creature, you must tap your lands for it. Count the casting.
4.
There you go, tap it. No, that's not tapped.
Yeah.
There you go.
So messy. And I'm going to use this guy to protect me.
Okay.
So I could have...
Very
I have a hyena pack protecting me, a
damn.
vampire,
And you got a gremlin.
a pig with claws.
Okay.
Or
What would you
elephant.
like to do? Right now, this guy cannot do anything because you just brought him out. So leave him right here. But you do have these guys.
I only have 1 guy left.
Anything else? It's still your turn.
Do you think I should lose all my cards?
No. You should keep some cards in your hand. Don't cast everything, because then you're going to dry yourself out. Look, I have a lot of cards in my hand. Why?
Okay.
Because I don't like to use all my cards.
So, I'm getting a pass.
Really?
Yep.
You don't want to attack?
Didn't I already attack?
No, you did not. Look, those guys are not used.
Can I use this dragon?
You can use the dragon, but remember, every turn, what does this guy have to do?
Oh, that's the attack.
He has to attack. Okay. You're going to attack him.
Yeet.
Tap him. Tap it. There you go. That's 1. Is there any other creature you want to attack with?
How about this dragon?
Bring out, yeah, tap the dragon.
A dragon.
Anything else? You got more stuff to
You know what? I'm gonna use those 2 guys to protect me. I don't want to wear off all the people that protect me.
Okay, you got a 5/5. Remember, you can make them stronger depending on how much mountains you have. But right now, these are used. But you have these 2 available. Right now, he's a 5/5. You could turn him into a 6/5, 7/5.
7/5.
So tap those guys out. You're attacking me with a 7/5 creature. He flies. Well, I think she flies. I think it's a female. Your dragon
Yeah, you're right. Oh.
blocks my... I block your dragon with my angel. 4/4.
But guess what? You're dead.
Yes. Angel's dead.
You are dead.
The 3/3, I will block with this guy.
You are dead.
No, we both die. Your power is 3. Hits me for 2, I die. But I also hit you for 3, and you block with... What's 3 minus 3?
You gotta be kidding me. 0.
So they're both dead.
Sad. You were such a good player.
I'm dead. Okay.
I know.
You're done?
Up everything and then draw a card.
Yeah, untap all your lands, your creatures. So on my turn, I am tapped. I had no planes.
At least my
I
dragon.
needed a 6th plane. Right now I only have 5. I got him.
At least I still have the dragon. Without the dragon, I'm dead. Okay.
Oh,
he's gonna attack.
Yes. Okay, now first you gotta untap everything. What's the next phase? You untap. Very good.
And draw a card. Oh my god, I got it.
Okay.
He's gonna be protecting me. I just found another one. I just found another gremlin, and these and the gremlin and the dragon are gonna attack.
Oh, you can't attack with him. He's still in your hand. You haven't paid for him.
Ooh. Ooh.
So are you going to attack, or you're gonna bring out a creature right now?
I'm gonna bring out a creature.
Okay.
He's gonna fight for me.
No, you cannot attack with him. You just brought it out. You can't. Yeah. You cannot. He is.
I'm gonna use this creature
Yes.
cause I'm gonna use this creature.
Okay.
Cause that one I just got, that one's gonna be protecting me.
Very
from
good.
my next
Smart.
one.
So tap the creatures that you're going to attack me with. That's 1 creature you're going to attack. That's 2 creatures you're going to attack. Oh, you're going to pump them. No, you can't use these. They're done. They're used.
Oh.
So he's a 5/5. Each one that you tap makes him stronger by 1. So he's a 5/5. Add 6, 5.
6, 5. No. 6, 5, 7, 5, and 6, 2.
No. You can't do that ability on these creatures. Only on this dragon. That's his special ability.
Oh.
So you're going to tap it? So how strong is your dragon?
Now he is, wow, 8 damage.
8.
8.
Plus
8.
plus this guy. So you're attacking me with these 2 creatures. 8/5 flyer, and what is he?
5, 2.
Yikes. You're 5/2. I'm blocking him. He dies.
So can I attack you?
And now your dragon
He's gonna attack you.
still attacking me. I have no creatures. I cannot do nothing.
I win.
And I believe, what's 8 minus 6?
8 minus 6 is... Does that even equal anything?
8 minus 6.
Oh.
That's
2.
negative.
Oh, 2.
Net 8 minus... Wait. Yes. I only have 6 life, and you're hitting me for 8. What is that?
2.
2? What's 6?
You only have 2 HP.
No, I'm negative 2.
Negative, so you're already dead.
I am dead. Good game. That's your first game, buddy. You beat me.
Mom, the first game and I actually won.
With what?
With my dinosaur.
Your dinosaur dragon? Your
I'm gonna call him
Shivan?
a dinosaur. Just gonna call him a dinosaur because yeah.
Did you like it? Did you like Magic?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Cool. Would you like to play again later, some other day?
Okay.
Cool. Remember, there's other colors. Right now you're playing with red. I'm playing with white, but there's also black, which are the swamps. There's forest. There's islands. We'll play more, all right, buddy? I'm glad you like
Is there
this.
ice?
Yes.